Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Risha, and today I'm gonna show you how I created this photo manipulation work. I made this about 2 years ago. This is the second video of the breakdown video series that I am making currently. So let me know what you guys think about this in the comments so far. Okay, with that said, let's get started, shall we? All right. So to get started, I inserted this image, this cloud image. I think I found this image from Unsplash or pexels.com or somewhere. I don't remember. Okay. So yeah, I did some color corrections to this image, and yeah, this is actually not a color correction. Um, I wanted to make it a warm environment, so I wanted to maintain that consistency. So the next image is I inserted this image to spice things up a bit in the far because this looks dull, right? No? Okay. So yeah, I inserted this and I removed this down part, I erased that part using brush tool and a mask. Then I did some color corrections to this image as well, so it blends with the background. Then I inserted this image. Yeah, this is the main image. Um, yeah, this was a bit difficult to edit, because one thing, it's a really pixelated image. Yeah. Now that I think about it, maybe I should have included some birds as well. Okay. So yeah, I removed the background by using you know the old pen tool. Just cut out really quickly, really nicely, and I did some color corrections to this image as well. You know, if you can see from here, you can see a level, hue and saturation levels again, some curves. Yeah. Okay, the next is I actually used pen tool to just create it like so, and use the brush tool really small, made it really small, and right click, stroke path, brush. Okay, that's it. Okay, so yeah, then I put a fish.
Bruh. Look at this dude.
This is not the one I used. Yeah, I used this picture first and changed later to a better picture for obvious reasons. Let me just remove this. Okay, yeah, this is the one I used. Cut out using pen tool. Put some color corrections. Yeah, this is I used this picture, you know, and cut out of it. Yeah, this is not pretty. This is not a pretty cutout. But then again, I was going to upload it to on the Instagram, so it doesn't really matter. It will compress anyway. Okay, so I cut out this and I made a color correction to this image as well. Blurred it a little bit. I don't know why I blurred it. Oh, I blurred it to, blend it with the background. Okay, the next thing is, yeah, shadow layers. This is a shadow layer. Basically, I just copied this layer and, rotated and used a color overlay. Okay, then the next thing is this plane. Basically, the same thing. Remove background, use color correction, and then I put some shadows on this well. Yeah, then this is a cloud image. You might be wondering how I removed the background from this layer. Well, if you can see from here, I didn't do a very good job at this. Let me just correct this. Yeah. Yeah, basically what I did was I went to select color range and highlight or mid-tone or something. I don't remember really. Yeah, I think shadows. Okay, basically what that will do is let me do that again. Color range, highlights. Okay, yeah, that what that will do is it will highlight only the lighter part. So you can just remove this part and you know you get the idea. Okay, then I made some color corrections to this image as well. Yeah, basically that's about it. Didn't do much on this one. Remove the background, color correction, and yeah, here's the same technique that I always use. Put some highlight or something or a really bright light above the image to give to hide the flaws. And I used a orangish tint to you know do some final touch. And yeah, that's about it. That is how I made this photo manipulation. And then I saved it as a JPEG file. Save, and I opened it as a separate window, and I went to filter, camera raw filter, and I did some final color corrections to it. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. My name is Visha, and um, please check out my other videos as well. There are tons of videos that I have uploaded. Um, so yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, inshallah. So until then, salam.